Our bears are 1 week old today. We want to give them the first Gumboro vaccine. This is a 1,000 dose vac that can be used for 1,000 bears, but we have 1,300 bears, so we'll get 2 of this. Then we'll take the 300 out of this. The mixture is done, so here we go with the syringe into the containers, and we have just distributed the medicated water to the bears. So as you can see, they are congregating around the drinkers to take in the water containing the first Gumboro vaccine. Before we go to this stage, we made sure that we starve these bears for almost 2 hours to make them thirsty the more, craving for water. So as soon as you put the vaccine in the water or the medicated water down, they will all run to it and begin to drink, and that is what you are seeing. So right now what we are doing is that we are going around to make sure that we push chicks that are lying around the wall and chicks that are at the corners and may not in one way or the other come out to drink the medicated water. We push all of them to come out and participate in the vaccination exercise. We want to have each and every one of them consume this medicated water. So there we go, pushing them out of the corners. So this drinker is close to the wall. Just move it away a little to create a space for them to move around. So here they have spread out, congregating around the drinkers, taking in the medicated water, and that is exactly what we want. Good job here. The feed in the trays is the magic feed, Kujis Galdus, popularly known as magic feed here in Ghana. That is what we have started with them. It is good for day old. It has a higher protein level that will help your bears to start in the right way. So we want them to grow and grow well. So we are not compromising on feed quality nor anything. We go for the best because we want to have good results. So we continue the process to push the bears out to make sure that each and every one of them gets the medicated water. So these drinkers will be inside this pen for 1 hour so that each and every bird will get opportunity to drink. So this bird was sleeping. I just woke it up from its sleep, and now here I have to catch it, hold the wings down, press the head some more for the beak to touch the water, then I'll leave it. I'm just trying to motivate it to drink, and just watch the miracle. It will drink the water now, and there it goes. So if you just give them the medicine and you go out and then go and sit somewhere, there are a lot of them that will not partake. So you have to be around, drive them, and then make sure that each and every one of them partake in the process. So this is it, and this is the first gumburon that we have just given them. I will do a video on the preparation process of this particular vaccine, how it's done, in my next series. So watch the space and follow us for more videos as we bring you tips and guides in poultry farming. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.